A tiny workshop run by a carpenter birthed a toy empire. Here's how Lego built its brick-by-brick revolution. 1932, Ole Kirk Christiansen begins producing wooden toys in Denmark. The word Lego means play well in Danish. 1947, Lego purchases a plastic molding machine. The era of wooden toys ends as plastic bricks emerge. 1949, the first automatic binding bricks flop because they don't stick. Lego needs a game-changing solution. 1958, Lego is saved by the iconic interlocking brick patent. Bricks from that year still work with today's sets. 1968, LEGO opens in Denmark. Themed sets and minifigures transform Lego into a world of storytelling magic. 2000, Lego is named Toy of the Century, but disaster looms. The brand nearly went bankrupt due to expansion. 2010's Lego rebounds by returning to its roots. Partnerships with Star Wars and Harry Potter helped save the company. Today, 7 Lego sets are sold every second. From wood to billions, Lego proves that creativity wins. What was your first Lego set? Leave a comment below.